In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wix customer service. Whether you're facing a sudden technical issue, you have questions about your website, or you simply need guidance on how to use a specific Wix feature, getting in touch with their support team is easier than you might think. We're going to take you through the process step by step to ensure you know exactly what to do. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. This might seem obvious, but it's an essential first step because accessing the full array of support options and resources requires that you are signed in. Simply enter your login details on the main Wix website and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Once you're there, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Now let's move on to the next important step, locating the help option. At the top of your screen, you'll notice the help menu. Clicking on it will open a new window or drop-down menu leading you to various support resources. If for some reason you have trouble finding the help section, perhaps due to screen clutter or a different display setup, don't worry. You can simply use the search box, conveniently located in your Wix dashboard, to type in help, and it should direct you to the right place. Once you've accessed the help section, you'll find a chatbot ready to assist you. Here's where you can type in or voice out your concern in the chat box provided. The chatbot, powered by advanced AI, is there to provide quick solutions and direct you to relevant help articles or features within Wix. This is particularly useful for troubleshooting common issues without the wait. However, if more specific guidance is needed, or if your question is a bit more complex, the chatbot may guide you towards other support options, such as submitting a ticket or even setting up a call with a Wix expert. Remember, the key to a successful customer service interaction is clear communication. Be as detailed as possible about the issue you're experiencing when describing it in the chat box. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to understand your problem and give you the most accurate help possible. So there you have it. Logging into your Wix account, accessing the help option, and utilizing the chatbot are the foundational steps to getting the assistance you need. Follow these instructions and you'll be well on your way to resolving your concerns with Wix efficiently. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful. If you still have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.